Here's a General Electric refrigerator. Open it up. Inside is full, but not quite as full as a regular refrigerator. The temperature controls on the back. See that the knob on the left controls the freezer temperature, which is basically the damper knob, while the knob on the right is a much more regular knob, which controls the temperature for the refrigerator. Inside, it needs a cleaning. Light bulb still works. Here's the sticker. Model number TBX18ZRBR. The serial number is HG535641. Here's the freezer. It's extremely cold in here. Oh my gosh. It's probably like 0 or maybe even below 0. And the freezer is also not quite as full as a regular freezer should be. And it also needs a cleaning. No light bulb in there. And the door's half as full. And here's the sticker for the advertisement about it. And that wraps up the video.